Now that we have learned New York rhythm and drum fills A, B, C, and D, let's combine them. By combine, we mean first we start with New York rhythm. After, drum fill A. After drum fill A, New York rhythm again. After, drum fill B. After, we play again New York rhythm. Then we play drum fill C. And we move after to New York rhythm again. And then play drum fill D. I'm gonna play it on the drums now so that you understand it. Let's start with the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drum fill A. 1, 2, 3, 4. New York rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fill B. 1, 2, 3, 4. New York rhythm again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fill C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rhythm again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fill D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's repeat it from the beginning and without talking. Faster. Faster. Now, all I want you to do is repeat it until you become very comfortable in playing the whole combination and until you play it on a very fast speed. Up next, London Rhythm.
Don't forget to like and drop your thoughts and requests in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe so we can keep the drums community growing.